Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your academic records with National Student Clearinghouse, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the National Student Clearinghouse website. Locate the section for academic records. Choose the option for transferring records. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Select the institution from which you are transferring records. Provide your personal information as required. Fill in your academic details accurately. Select the recipient institution for your records. Review the specific requirements for record transfer. For additional help, consult the FAQ section on the website. Confirm your request to initiate the transfer process. Check your email for confirmation of your request. Allow time for processing, which may take several days. Keep track of your request status through your account dashboard. Contact customer support if you encounter any issues. Ensure to follow up with the recipient institution to verify receipt of your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.